All right, this video is unexpected because yesterday we found out that the Pismo Dunes is closing down semi-permanently because of an endangered bird. So we got up at 4 a.m. We're driving like 4 or 5 hours. We're gonna get there, whether open or not. We wanna go duning.
We really want to shoot our shot with this. We've been planning to do this for like a year, but we thought we would have more time to plan and do it right. But we literally just hopped in the truck and said, we got to shoot our shot because we don't know how long it'll be closed down for. So we are on the way. Hopefully we can get in. Hopefully we have no trouble with water crossings, and we've never driven in the dunes. So we'll see how all that goes.
Let's go duning. Good afternoon.
We just got in. We're super stoked. This is just the beach part, but kind of wish we got a map or something.
We didn't ask any instructions.
They just let us go.
Yeah, hey, if a Subaru can do it, let's see that creek crossing.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
It's beautiful.
A gallop or a trot? It's awesome. This is gorgeous. Hey, this is the last day we could do these dunes past this creek. Tomorrow, no one can cross this creek.
Kind of sad, but we're really glad we made it. We're super stoked. Johnny's gonna go ahead and get us across, and we'll figure out what we're doing next. Maybe some lunch.
Oh yeah.
This is the creek, and sometimes I guess if it's too high tide or the creek's too overflowing, you have a hard time getting past it. So it looks like it's not bad. Yeah, we got that.
First things first, we had to go get a whip.
Ooh.
Wow.
And the Forerunner.
We're here, we got set up, we got our flag.
We got it hooked up. We think it'll hopefully stay. We might have to keep an eye on it, but we're gonna go and hit the dunes. This is gonna be our test to see if that stays on.
I can't believe we're doing it this way. Not proud of this. How you feeling?
This is so cool. And we're just trying to get our bearings right now because we don't have a map or nothing. So we're just seeing, I like that there's all these bathrooms, but we're just seeing where we can go and how to get there. Like that looks like it just opens up. Yo, that is gnarly. We could have just like drove and dove off into this little bowl and we would be stuck.
Hey, we don't know what we don't know.
Let's find an easier spot. That is insane. It was right about here where we started questioning everything. It felt like we drove 4 hours and we weren't even sure if we were going to be able to tackle anything. These dunes felt huge. Then there's all these blind drops and it was uneasy and pretty nerve-wracking. And we were a little discouraged, but we were hoping that if we kept driving that maybe we would find an area that we could rip around in and build some confidence.
And we built that confidence.
Okay, how did you feel doing that last one?
You know when you don't see the bottom, it's like, I don't know how to be afraid of it. So unless you know the better.
Oh my gosh, that one got me a little scared.
Hey, well, you don't know, but afterwards you see it and you're like, oh, wow.
Yeah, you did great. It was just, it never looks the same on video, but it was steep, and to see the whole truck just like,
Yeah.
but you drove out of it at the perfect time.
Hey, just listen to what you're saying. And it's sand, so it's like, okay, like, I'm not gonna crunch the front, scrape it. It's fun, but I don't want to get cocky and go.
Yeah, no. Some of these dunes are huge, and they're sheer drops.
Yeah, it's our first time out here.
Yeah.
It could be our last time too, so let's enjoy it.
That was sad. Yeah, it's okay. Let's figure out where to go next. Yeah. Yep. Oh, we have duct tape.
We'll get it a proper fix. How you feeling?
Feeling good. It's really pretty, really beautiful. I feel like we found a good section. We went to some really gnarly sections, but I feel like we're in a more beginner-friendly area.
Yeah. That first drop off really kind of scares you.
We got a lot more to explore.
Stay hydrated. Guess what I found? Ooh, electrician's pliers. Score!
Guys, it is windy out here, and I just have to give a shout out to Johnny because that flag that he just jerry-rigged to stick up there with zip ties and duct tape has been up there this whole time, and it's so windy. So good job, Johnny.
You would like it up here. It's so beautiful.
Yep, it just kills. It won't do it. Nah, it just won't. Engine just cuts out when it feels like there's no traction.
That's weird.
Traction control's off. I can't get it to spin. Oh my gosh, I need to be more stable. Oh, that's the way to do it.
I think I also see a Land Cruiser over there.
He gone. They gone. We're live with MC Chan.
Okay, guys, this entire day we have been saying, man, we love all the stuff we're doing on our truck. We love what it's looking like, how we've built it out. Sometimes you have these moments when all the pieces have come together and you're like, really appreciate what you've done. And that was today for us. These new wheels and tires are sick. We could not have done what we did without them. They are beefy, they ate it up. And there was not one thing that we felt like the truck couldn't do. A lot of it was just like, we're not ready for that. But we're loving it. Even our roll-up cover, we saw people having a hard cover, trying to stick the flag in there and they just could not. So it's just, we're really enjoying what we have done to this truck, how we built it out, and a day like today just makes you appreciate it so much.
And there goes the ATV rentals. Who knows when they can come back. They look like really fun too. Wish we could have done it before they closed it off. Hopefully reopen soon. Well, that's it. They're closing it off tomorrow.
That's it. We came in, this was not there. By the time we left, there's only there's two ways in, and it's all roped off. Kind of sad.
Well, we got in just in time. So after today, who knows? Could be forever.
Could be temporary. Who knows?
But for us, this is the latest we could kind of do this anyways. So I really enjoyed all of it.
Yeah, this was awesome. It is a little bittersweet because we came out here, tried something new, and we had a blast. But then it's kind of also like, well, who knows when we could come back. But
yeah,
we're glad that we just went for it.
This has been so much fun. Thank you guys for watching us, having this much fun. Help us get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We know with your guys' help, we can totally make it.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.